America doesn't just control the Pacific, it controls the ocean routes that half the world depends on. But how did the US gain this much power over an entire ocean? Today, the most important shipping lanes in the Pacific, the routes connecting Asia, Australia, and the Americas, all fall under direct or indirect American influence. The first reason, America's island network. Hawaii, American Samoa, Guam, the Northern Mariana Islands, these aren't just islands. They act like massive military checkpoints spread across the ocean.